If you've ever wanted to design a WordPress site completely from scratch, with no unwanted clutter or restrictions, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start with a truly blank design in WordPress using a blank canvas theme, paired with a powerful drag-and-drop page builder. You'll have the freedom to let your creativity run wild and build pages that look and function just the way you imagine without writing a single line of code. So let's get started. First up, we'll use a blank theme. This is the essential foundation because most WordPress themes come with built-in layouts, headers, footers, and sidebars. All sorts of stuff that can get in your way if you want a completely custom design. Instead, we want a minimalist, lightweight theme that gives us a true blank slate. Here, how to do that: log into your WordPress dashboard, then head over to Appearance and click on Themes. We're going to add a new theme, so click the Add New button. In the search bar, type in Hello Theme from Elementor or Blank Canvas. Both are fantastic options designed specifically for this purpose. Once you've found one, hit Install and then don't forget to click Activate. Your site now has no unnecessary styling. Think of this as the empty canvas you'd get before painting a masterpiece. Now that your groundwork is set, let's bring in the tools that will help you build your pages visually. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for a page builder like Elementor or Seed Prod. These plugins give you a simple drag-and-drop interface, letting you lay out your site without touching any code. Once you've found the one you like, install and activate it. And remember, you won't be locked into whatever you choose. You can always try different builders to see which one clicks with your workflow. Next, it's time to create your very first blank page. Go to Pages and select Add New. This will open the regular WordPress page editor, but we want to make sure absolutely nothing gets in the way of our custom design. So on the right-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Page Attributes, or sometimes it's called Template. It might be slightly different depending on your theme. In the drop-down menu, you should see an option like Elementor Canvas or Blank Page Template. Go ahead and select that. What this does is strip away all the usual theme elements, the header, footer, sidebar, leaving you with nothing but your content area. If you've ever wished you could just start from zero, this is the magic switch. Click Publish or Save. You can always make changes later, so don't worry about making it perfect right now. With your blank page ready, click on Edit with Elementor or the respective button for your chosen page builder. Now you'll see the full visual editor in front of you, just an empty canvas waiting for your ideas. Use the drag and drop tools to add headlines, text, images, buttons, or anything you want. Think of the page builder as your design playground. You can stack sections, adjust spacing, and experiment to your heart's content, watching every change happen live. If something doesn't look quite right, just tweak it. The beauty here is that you're always in control. If you want this blank page to be your homepage, it's an easy final step. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, click on Settings, then Reading. Choose a static page under your homepage displays, and select the blank page you've just made from the drop-down list. Save your changes, and just like that, every visitor will land on your custom-designed masterpiece. And that's it. Starting with a blank design gives you total creative control, and you never have to worry about unwanted theme elements getting in your way. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share what you're building, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress tips. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.